not have a special law yet for AI, as you all know, and I'm sure the speakers ahead of me have definitely mentioned this. But that there is a proposal actually of our department from the MeitY to pass a Digital India Act, and that act is meant to replace the information technology law in the times to come, and that it is meant to be a comprehensive legislation that will look at AI. It is primarily to address the AI opportunity and AI challenges, but it should also look at many other things that are of the digital environment. And that should help many of us, advise businesses on the how to. Because today we all know the principles, but we don't have firm legal guidance. And hopefully that law will give us statutory guidance on how to approach AI products. But until the time that law comes into picture, we will have to look at what we have from a global jurisprudence. Of course, there are courts which have begun to start looking at AI questions of law. So we have guidance from that. Not so many in India.
As of now in India, if you talk about, we don't have any specific AI law. So the meaning of that is it is still an unregulated landscape. Okay. So the most interesting part of unregulated landscape is that you can experiment a lot without thinking about the governance, the clauses, the compliances, and all. So you can experiment. That gives you a lot of experimentation scope. But obviously, that also brings you a lot of disadvantages in terms of the risks and all, because since it's an experiment, it's there's no legislation. You don't know what exactly the issues would be. Whether if someone is using AI and gets deceived or gets some kind of a issue, so there is no proper forum where that person can go and make those complaints. So that's a challenge. So that is there, but that would not be the thing for going onwards for next few months or years. I think India is kind of working very hard to find its legislation, and I think the initiatives have been taken by MeitY, the Ministry of Information Technology, and Niti Aayog. So they are both working in a collaborative manner to see how we are kind of coming out with the structure. As of now, what we have some frameworks and guidelines in terms of how you use AI in India.